So in my book, The Hivemind Invasion of Civilization, Compendium of Esoteric Science, Symbolism, and Universal Secrets, on page 8, we have the physics and astronomy of our solar system, magnetic ropes, observed for the first time between Saturn and the Sun, uniting the North Pole, which is a hexagonal vortex, on the North Pole of Saturn, which is a Kabbalistic cube of Kabbalah, which is the Kabbala of Mecca, which is the hexagram of Saturn. So of course, Saturn's polar vortex links magnetically the electric Birkeland currents of plasma physics, which link all energy transmission through the universe, electricity throughout the universe, through magnetic filaments, which run through the poles of each celestial body and acts essentially like a power outlet that charges the ionosphere or the atmosphere of planetary bodies, suns, the magnetic field of Earth, etc. And it relates to the structure, the entire structure of space and time as well, because of the physics of magnetism. The way the physics of magnetism, electromagnetism specifically, but the force of magnetism aligns into a geometric structure, which is known as the flower of life. And that is the magnetic structure of the magnetic fields of the universe.
How could you describe this? It's the largest structure in the universe, the Boss Great Wall. It's a supercluster of galaxies over 1 billion light years across, making it the largest structure ever observed in the universe. The wall itself is made up of 830 separate galaxies that gravity has corralled into 4 superclusters. This creates a twisting structure that resembles a cosmic honeycomb.
Which is why we find the Saturnian black cube of space, or the Kabbala, the Kaaba of Mecca, with the hex magic of Saturnian symbolism of the Jewish Tefillin cube, of the cube of space and time, the cubic wave fields of supreme artificial intelligence, which link and allow space and time travel throughout sci-fi, pop culture, civil engineering, sacred geometry, atomic physics, every type of science down to the fundamental structure of space and time, mathematics and geometry, music to architecture. Everything in nature revolves around hexagonal lattice geometry, which the hexagram is at the very structural core of that fabric of reality, of space and time, and represents the cubic wave fields of space. Yet again, masculine cube, feminine sphere of creation, the two working tools of all energy transmission and all motion in time and space. Referred to as the Hebraic cube of space, referred to as the Islamic Kaaba of Mecca, of the Kabbalah, of the Kabbalah, of cubic magic, of the creation of form and structure of all life and all nature in the universe. Representing the atomic structure, the chemical bond, the atomic bonds, representing a cube, cubic matrix, an artificial matrix that links all energy transmission to the North Pole of Saturn. Again, the hexagonal structure of biology, geometry, the union of polarities, the Hyros Gamos, the gram of nature, the magic of the creation of life, of the biology of physics, the structure of space and time, of Father Time, of Saturn, of Kronos. The structure of space and time that consumes all of us, of which we must all make a sacrifice of ourselves. And we must all sacrifice ourselves to those things that we love within the physical world, whether it is family, whether it is career, what have you. The structure of all anatomy, of all biology, the very structure of the spinal column, the very structure of nature itself.
Learn more at LiftingTheVeil.tv.